Hi, my name is Sanjay Bisen. I am a CTO of Amantya Tech. I manage all the technology stuff happening in Amantya. Here in IMC 2025, we are showcasing a couple of our products both onto the network side of it as well as onto the test tool side of it. On the network side of it, we are bringing up RIC SMO, where with a AI/ML, bringing AI/ML capabilities into the RIC part of it. We are bringing up with some of the new RIC applications and a complete AI/ML platform for the radio intelligent controller part of it. We're also showcasing on the network product our 5G SA core, which is basically uh, it's a Kubernetes cluster based core which have all enough components available which can run on an OpenShift environment with a capability of 2 or 600 gigahertz with support of new feature of the slicing with a subscriber base of 5 million subscribers with a complete carrier grade functionality with the redundancy and reliability part of it. And good new interesting thing which we are bringing in this IMC part of it is that we have a test tool product we launched recently, auto Wi-Fi, which basically you have FWA devices and you have Wi-Fi devices with all mesh network. How do you test your Wi-Fi devices into a lab environment where we bring our auto Wi-Fi? We also have a very interesting product which is known as Orca, which basically perform a testing of our core network, which support a multiple kind of profiles of 200K subscriber base, and then create a large scale testing in your lab for your core network. We also have another interesting product which is known as AutoRAN, which performs a RAN related testing. So in your lab you have a radio equipment coming up with new features of RAN, being it sliced, being it MIMO, being it radio interference controller part of it. So in order to test those things, we bring an AutoRAN which provides a real EV with Android, iOS, and modem. You can test it, validate it, and perform and whole automation around it. So the variety of product and services. And as in Amantya, we also bring another vertical which is known as a services vertical, where we bring do a lot of customization on top of our product as a professional services part of it, as well as we do a design-led services part of it. One of the interesting things which we are doing with some of the industry leaders in US is that we bring a 5G camera or a red cap technology, and that's something which we are doing on the IoT side of it. Thank you.